Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna and today I am starting a series on my channel which is called Sapna Se Suno. I just thought it's a nice quirky desi name. So in Sapna Se Suno series I will be talking about the best and even the worst in the beauty. So I will be telling you guys about what's the best beauty products, cosmetics, skincare, hair care, what are the worst products which probably have been raved about but they are not worth the hype, and I'll also be reviewing products for you. So to start off with this series today, I'm going to be reviewing the new Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One BB Cream. I have been using this product for a while now and I thought now I'm in a good position to review this product for you all. So first let's start with the packaging. This comes in a little teeny tiny pink colored tube. I think the packaging is very travel friendly, even very purse friendly if I would say, because you can easily throw it in your purse and carry it around. So packaging is definitely good. It comes with this teeny tiny outlet. You can just squeeze out the product and close it. So very hygienic, very travel friendly and very cute at the same time. Then coming on to the price point, it retails for 225 rupees, which is pretty much similar to their previous BB creams, because I remember they had some earlier BB creams like Clear Glow and they were also in the same price range. So the price point is also affordable for college girls. Anybody for that matter can easily afford this BB cream. Now coming on to the colors. Now I feel that at the moment in India we have only two colors in this BB cream. I got the color 01 Fresh and there is another one 02 I think Natural. Overall what I could find out was that there are four colors in this BB cream, but what I could gauge from the seller at the store is that in India at the moment only two shades are available, which I think is a big bummer, because in India we have diverse skin tones and only two colors of a foundation or a BB cream cannot cater to Indian skin tones. So that's a big bummer. But if you are somebody who is in the fairer skin tone category, definitely can try these BB creams. So yeah, that's one bummer I would say. Now coming on to the product guys, since I've been trying this product and I've been experimenting, what I will say is it's really good for somebody who's looking for a natural, very daytime kind of a look, which is very natural, because this foundation will not give you a lot of coverage. However, it gives a medium coverage I would say. Also depends upon what makeup tool you're using. So I tried using this foundation with the this BB cream with the foundation brush and also with the beauty blender, and I found that if I apply at least 2 coats of this BB cream with the beauty blender, I get a better coverage vis-a-vis using this with simple hands or fingers and or a foundation brush. So vis-a-vis a foundation brush, a beauty blender will give you better coverage using this BB cream. Also you can build the coverage, but it will not give you full coverage. It will only give you medium coverage, which I think is pretty decent, because at the same time it looks natural. Also another thing guys, it has a very nice dewy finish. It is not at all matte, though somewhere it says that it controls, it is shine free, but I don't think it is actually shine free, because on my skin it was looking quite dewy. And also I realized one of the days BB cream made my skin a little oily. One of the days, I don't know, it was to do with the weather, but I was in the AC for almost all of the time and my skin started getting extremely oily. I have a combination skin, my T-zone is oily, rest of my skin is dry, but it made my skin pretty oily. So maybe it's not that good for oily skin people, but it can be extremely good for dry skin girls out there. So do try it out if you are a dry skin girl, because this foundation or this BB cream can work really well for you. But for oily skin girls, you might have to either set it well with a powder or maybe just try it out once at home before you step out, because it made my skin oily. However, overall I liked it. It's not a bad product. It's good with its price point. Luckily I have a shade for my skin tone, but I think they should come up with more and more shades for especially Indian skin tones. It's a big bummer if they have only 2 shades or at the most 4 shades. So that's pretty much my verdict about this BB cream. So coming on to a final conclusion, let's discuss the pluses first. So the first plus is travel friendly packaging. Second plus is it's affordable. Third plus, it's very good for a natural look. Fourth plus, the coverage is slightly buildable if you want a little extra coverage. And the fifth plus is that it's a really good product for dry skin girls. Now coming on to the negative parts of this BB cream. One, we barely have any shades. That's the biggest con of this product. Two, it does not give you full coverage. So if you're looking for a full coverage product, it is not the product for you. And the third con is it is not really meant for oily skin people, because it will make your skin oily. So you either set it really well with a lot of powder, and or you can first try it at home before you step out with this product on your face if you are a combination or an oily skin girl. So that is my verdict. You can now take a call if you want to buy this product or if you don't want to buy this product. So guys, this is it for today's episode in Sapna Se Suno. I hope you like this video. Do let me know what else you want me guys to talk about or discuss. I have a lot of ideas in my mind. I will be doing a lot of these videos in the coming future. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that little bell so that you're notified of all my latest posts and videos. And I'll see you very soon in my next episode of Sapna Se Suno. And also guys, don't forget, I'm also running another series on my channel which is called Inspired Makeup Series, where I am curating makeup looks, taking inspiration from objects around me, ideas around me, and also suggestions that you guys have been pouring in. So keep pouring in your wonderful suggestions and comments, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, ciao!